Okay, so we're off our routine a little bit because I had to vacuum the house. Yes, I had to vacuum before I fed you. Okay, let's do the pussycat first. Mogi already got his can. Okay, Mr. Mo. Here you go, honey. Okay. Yeah, you guys know what you're getting, huh? I bet you were thinking you were going to get Auntie Marilyn's Spinaco Pita. You're not going to get it. We're going to get this. What have we got? Pork and broccoli and carrots. This is the carrot pulp from my juicing. Yes. No grains. It's meats and veggies. Meats and veggies. And Mogi, I know you got yours already. You like? Pook pook. Good. That noise in the background is my dryer, which is rarely on. It's upstairs. I've got those balls in there that supposedly make it work better. End up waking up the neighborhood. Okay, you guys done? Oh, this house is too noisy. I can't stand it. Mr. Moog, that's all you get. I keep wondering if that's the wrong food. It doesn't look like pussycat food. Can't imagine that it's anything else. Okay. Nothing left in there. Nope. I bought a whole bunch of bags. One was puppy, one was dog, and one was cat. And I think I got them mixed up. Maybe not. No, because I did check with the stuff that was left over in the cat, and it's similar. It's the same.